Made it home, and this is what it looks like up here in Bridesville. Couple of dark spots, but doesn't sound super threatening yet. Oh. I spoke too soon. I just heard the thunder. I'm gonna get the hell inside. The horses are happily eating. I'm not gonna bother netting it. So we're just about 5 minutes after when I took that last video. The sky is now very gray. We're getting big chunks of hail. Not a whole lot of it, just big chunks of it. Pardon? So, this is just a few minutes after that last video that I shot. We've got hail coming down.
Look at the size of those things. They're so giant.
They're like
so big.
Maybe
They're big enough that I can see most of them.
Maybe nickel-sized.
Like
they can get golf ball big, though.
The raindrops are so big they're hitting the ground, leaving puffs of dust.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's dark out the other window, fairly dark out this window, compared to, just 5 minutes ago when it was light and I was looking at the clouds saying, I don't think I trust this cloud.
Look at all that hail.
For what it's worth, our forecast said that we weren't supposed to have any thunderstorms for another couple of hours. And I was looking at that cloud, checking the website. I'm like, So I don't trust this cloud. So I sent the kids inside.
And I even heard two roars
Hubby's
of
intuition
thunder.
started unplugging stuff, and then right away we heard thunder.
Yeah, I heard two thunders.
Are they
two
big?
in a row.
Yes. A centimeter in diameter.
Oh wow, hang on. Oh my goodness.
Whoa, look at the size of those. They aren't even melting. They're bouncing. They're hopping around like bunnies. Now it's falling down.
Some of them hitting the roof are just...
They're going to do damage.
I'm worried about our car.
Yeah.
Seems like the wind has died down a bit though.
Yep.
Whoa. Those are big. It's weird. Some of them are really small, and some of them are...
really big. They're like the size of...
They're like the size of the large marbles.
Oh, there's goes another golf ball size when you see it.
Oh my
I don't think I got it on camera. I can still see it, but... That is crazy.
I want to see.
This is weird. There's a whole bunch of different sizes. I don't know if you can hear the sound of some of them hitting our roof.
There's a whole bunch of really big ones coming off the roof on this side.
Whoops. It's like every 100th hailstone is just going bonk, smacking our poor tin roof. Our car has a sunroof. I'm a little worried. The size of them bouncing. Whoa, another big one. This is a tall storm. I've had hail that was worse, but I've never seen in-person hailstones this big.
Yeah, we've had heavier hail, but...
Yeah, I've had
These
it
are
where
the
you
biggest stones we've
can't
ever
see.
seen.
Yeah, I've never seen stones this big.
that was a good one. Look at the size of them.
I kind of want to run out there and grab some. Like, it's hard. You can't really see the scale on the video. You're not scared of lightning, right? Go out and grab some big ones. I'm kidding. Don't go outside, you dum-dum. Dude. These stones are huge. hand. Look at the size of these things. My husband just went and grabbed them. Look how big this is. That's crazy.
I want to see how big it one is.
Please ignore the state of the yard. We've been ripping up stumps so that we can eventually put a kid's playground in here. This is just crazy. About 15 minutes later, the storm has moved on. The air is so wet and thick, I feel like I can drink it. It's just pounding Beaverdale and north of Baldy area. We're gonna go for a little drive once it's safe and go scout for smoke, because there was a lot of strikes registered in our area, although it's hard to know whether or not any of them actually hit the ground. Hopefully not.